Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to install XMP preset to your photo using Lightroom. For this tutorial I will use the XMP file of my cinematic preset that I have made as an example. You can easily download many XMP presets from my other videos. Now open your Lightroom mobile application. Open any photo you want to edit. And then go to the presets option. Now click this three dots icon. And then select the import preset option. And choose the XMP file you downloaded. Your preset imported successfully. You can use this preset to different photos whenever you want. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like.